Are you an Amazon seller who is struggling badly from abnormal budget spend and profitability? Or you're the new seller, wondering how Amazon works? Well, in both cases, you need a helping hand to end your agony. Amazon Business is mouth-watering and profitable, plenty of sellers entered it and became successful, but do you know hundreds of sellers failed at it? You must be wondering why. Here are the top reasons for failure. Failed to understand how cash flow works at Amazon with poor financial management skills. Ignored the importance of competition and elected the failed product. They couldn't do good and economical product sourcing. Overspent the budget on PPC campaigns. Black hat ranking techniques resulted in account suspension. Poor inventory management skills. Now, as you've seen, how crucial it is for you to take proper measures. A slight mistake can lead you into scary scenarios and nightmares. It is where I come forward to support you along with my professional team. Reach out to us now, and we'll turn your lost business into a profitable one.